From there, we talk about the role of a Christian during a strike. As a Christian, what is your responsibility? What are you supposed to do? What is your duty? Now there's a strike going on. Yes? In a particular company that you work in, or there's a strike going on in a particular school, what is your responsibility as a Christian? Number one, you're not supposed to participate. You're not supposed to participate. You are supposed to encourage others to solve their problems in a what? In an amicable manner, in a peaceful manner. You encourage them. Also, you pray for a solution to the problem because you're Christian, and you involve the authorities of any grievances if they are not aware. You try to mediate. You try to see whether you can help both parties. You can help the employer and also you as the employee. Also, you're supposed to report to the matter to the nearest police station. Especially if there's a violence, it's a violent strike whereby the demonstrations are leading to destruction of the property. You're supposed to report the matter to the nearest police station so that they can be able to do what? To bring peace at least. And also you should not take part in violent I think I emphasize that in violent demonstrations, you should always encourage peaceful demonstration. So, as I told you the first point, I told you you're not supposed to participate in any form, whether it's peaceful demonstration or a peaceful strike. You're not supposed to participate in any